Well, hello there, fantasy readers. I mean, sophisticated fantasy readers. It's time for Session 8. Session 8's title is Quests Can Be Internal as Well as External. And a quest is an adventurous journey. Let's think about fantasy stories. How do fantasy stories usually go? What are some patterns you see when you're reading fantasy stories? Fantasy stories usually follows a quest narrative. That is an adventurous journey that a hero is given. The hero is given a quest, an adventurous journey. This is about his or her journey to achieve it. Or this story is about his or her journey to achieve it. So it is a story where a character is given a quest, and that character is usually the hero, and the whole story is about how that character achieves the goal of completing that journey successfully. Okay, so now that you know what quest structures are, let's look at some of the external quest structures and some of the stories that you know. Check out these fantasy stories that you know, Shrek and Sinbad. In both of these, the hero is trying to free a captive or capture a sacred object. Next, we have Harry Potter and the Lord of the Rings. You all know Lord of the Rings is my favorite. So in these two fantasy stories, the heroes are either trying to destroy a villain or a dangerous object. The final example is in the stories Alice in Wonderland and the Chronicles of Narnia, where the characters are in another world and on a quest to make it out. So the external struggles are very cool and interesting to read about. But let's think about the internal struggle. They're equally just as cool and interesting to read about. What is internal struggle? Well, let's think about Harvey from The Thief of Always. So when we're thinking about Harvey and thinking of his internal struggles, here are three things that we want to look at. What's inside Harvey that gets in the way? What's going on inside him that needs to be fixed? And finally, what conflicts does he need to overcome? This is your task today. See if you can answer these three questions about Harvey's internal struggle. He's not on a quest to find something that you can actually touch and hold. He's not trying to rescue someone or destroy something. He has internal struggle. Let's go through those questions just one more time. What's inside Harvey that gets in the way? What's going on inside him that needs to be fixed? And what conflicts does he need to overcome? So I want you to add what you learned today to your minds and think about stories differently than you used to. You guys are becoming experts at reading fantasy stories. Great job today, guys. See you next time.